Good morning, students. Today we solve one example problem, example number 3, page number 66. Most important problem in 7 marks. Show that the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 is equal to 0 touch each other. Also find the point of contact. Also find the point of contact and a common tangent at this point of contact. Here we prove that totally 3 parts. First part is we prove that the given two circles touch each other. Touch each other. Second part is find the point of contact. Find the point of contact. Third one is common tangent. Equation of the common tangent at this point of contact. At this point of contact. Here prove that total 3 parts. First one is show that the circles touch each other. Second one is point of contact. Third one is equation of the common tangent at this point of contact. First of all, we prove that the given two circles touch each other. If two circles touch each other internally or externally. If two circles touch each other internally or externally. So, if two circles touch each other, externally, we prove that C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. If two circles touch each other internally, we prove that C1 C2 is equal to R1 minus R2. In any case, if two circles touch each other internally or externally, here first of all we find centers and radius of the given two circles. Centers and radius of the given circles. First circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Comparing with general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here x coefficient 2g is equal to minus 4. G is equal to minus 4 by 2. G is equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are. G is equal to minus 2. Y coefficient 2f. 2f is equal to minus 6. F is equal to minus 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. F is equal to minus 3. Constant C is equal to minus 12. C is equal to minus 12. First one, center of the first circle C1 is equal to minus G comma minus F. C1 is equal to minus G. G is equal to minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 comma minus F. F is equal to minus 3. Minus into minus plus. Here center of the first circle is equal to 2 comma 3. Second one, radius of the first circle. Radius is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c is the formula. R1 is equal to g square minus 2 whole square plus f square minus 3 whole square minus c. C is equal to minus 12 minus into minus plus 12 under root. R1 is equal to minus 2 whole square 4 plus minus 3 whole square 9 plus 12. R1 is equal to 4 plus 9 13. 13 plus 12 25. Root 25 means 5. Therefore, R1 is equal to 5. This is the center and radius of the first circle. Again, find the center and radius of the second circle. Equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 is equal to 0. Comparing with general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here x coefficient 2g is equal to 6, g is equal to 6 by 2, g is equal to 2 1 the 2 3 the, g is equal to 3. Y coefficient 2f, 2f is equal to 18, f is equal to 18 by 2, f is equal to 2 1 the 2 9 the, f is equal to 9. Constant c is equal to 26. This is the g value, this is the f value, this is the constant c value. Find the center and radius of the second circle. Second circle center C2 is equal to minus g comma minus f minus g, g is equal to 3 minus f, f is equal to 9. Next one, fourth one, radius of the second circle. Radius is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. G square 3 square plus f square 9 square minus c. C is equal to 26 under root. R2 is equal to 3 square 9 plus 9 square 81 minus 26 under root. R2 is equal to 81 plus 9, 90 minus 26. 90 minus 26 means 64. Square root 64 means 8. This is the radius of the second circle. This is the center. This is the radius of the second circle. Again we find the C1, C2 value. C1, C2. C1, C2 means the distance between the two centers. The distance between the two centers of the given circles. This is the C1, this is the C2. Here we find C1, C2. C1 is equal to 2 comma 3. C2 is equal to minus 3 comma minus 9. Let C1 x1 y1, C2 x2 y2. C1 C2 means the distance between the 2 points is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. C1 C2 is equal to x2 minus 3 minus x1 2 whole square plus y2 minus 9 minus y1 3 whole square under root. C1 C2 is equal to minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 whole square plus minus 9 minus 3 minus 12 whole square under root. C1 C2 is equal to minus 5 whole square plus 25 minus 12 whole square plus 144. C1 C2 is equal to 144 plus 25 169. C1 C2 is equal to root 169 means 13. Root 169 means 13. Observe here clearly 13 is equal to 5 plus 8. 13 is equal to 5 plus 8. Here C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. C1 C2 R1 plus R2. C1 C2 is equal to 13. R1 is equal to 5. R2 is equal to 8. 13, 13, 5 plus 8, 13. Here clearly C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. If C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2, two circles touch each other externally. Two circles touch each other externally. If C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2, the given two circles touch each other externally. The given two circles touch each other externally. This is the relative position of the two circles. Relative position of the two circles. Here the number of common tangents is 3. The number of common tangents is 3. This is the first part. This is the first part. First part means show that the circle touch each other. We prove that C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. If C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2, two circles touch each other externally. This is the first circle. This is the second circle. C1 is the center. R1 is the radius. C2 is the center. R2 is the radius of the second circle. C1 is equal to 2, 3. R1 is equal to 5. C2 is equal to minus 3, minus 9. R2 is equal to 8. R2 is equal to 8. Second part we prove that also find the point of contact. Second part. If two circles touch each other externally, the point of contact is called the internal center of similitude. The point of contact is the internal center of similitude. C1 is the center of the first circle. C1 is equal to 2, 3. C2 is equal to minus 3, minus 9. Next one, R1 is equal to 5, R2 is equal to 8. This is the centers and radius of the given circles. If two circles touch each other externally, the point of contact is called the internal center of similitude. So, here P divides the line segment C1, C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. The point of contact at C1 x1 y1, C2 x2 y2. Here R1 is to R2 is equal to m is to n is equal to 5 is to 8. The point of contact. The point of contact is called the internal center of similitude. The point of contact. The point of contact is called the internal center of similitude is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. P is equal to m is equal to 5, x2 is equal to minus 3 plus n is equal to 8, x1 is equal to 2 by m plus n, 5 plus 8, m is equal to 5, y2 is equal to minus 9 plus n is equal to 8, y1 is equal to 3 by m plus n, 5 plus 8. P is equal to 5 into minus 3 minus 15 plus 8 to the 16 by 5 plus 8 13. 5 into 9 45 minus plus 8 3 is 24 by 5 plus 8 13. P P is equal to 16 minus 15, 1 by 13, comma, minus 45 plus 24, minus 21 by 13. This is the point of contact. Therefore, the point of contact P is equal to 1 by 13 comma minus 21 by 13. 1 by 13 comma minus 21 by 13. This is the point of contact. This is also internal center of similitude. Internal center of similitude. If two circles touch each other externally, the point of contact is called the internal center of similitude. This is the second part. Again, third part. Find the common tangent at this point of contact. This is the equation of the common tangent. This is the equation of the common tangent. Equation of the common tangent. At first circle, S is equal to 0. Second circle, S dash is equal to 0. Equation of the first circle, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. S dash is equal to x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 is equal to 0. If two circles touch each other internally or externally, the equation of common tangent is S minus S dash. S minus S dash is equal to 0. The equation of the common tangent to the circles S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0 is S minus S dash is equal to 0. Equation of the common tangent. Equation of the common tangent. Equation of the common tangent is S minus S dash is equal to 0. Yes, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 minus S dash x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 is equal to 0 is the equation of the common tangent. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 multiply with minus x square minus y square minus 6x minus 18y minus 26 is equal to 0. X square get cancel, y square cancel, minus 4x minus 6x minus 10x minus 6y minus 18y minus 24y minus 24y minus 12 minus 26 minus 38 is equal to 0. Multiply with minus 10x plus 24y plus 38 is equal to 0. 2 common, 2 5s are 2 12s are 2 19s are 2 19s are 2 5s are 2 12s are 2 19s are 2 5s are 10, 2 12s are 24, 2 19s are 38. Taking to right side 0 by 2 0. 5x plus 12y plus 19 is equal to 0. Therefore, 5x plus 12y plus 19 is equal to 0 is the equation of the common tangent to the circles. to the given circles. This is the equation of the common tangent. This is the process. First we prove that two circles touch each other, means C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Second part, find the point of contact. Point of contact means if two circles touch each other externally, the point of contact is called the internal center of similitude. Next one, equation of the common tangent. If two circles touch each other externally, the equation of the common tangent is s minus s dash is equal to 0. This is most important problem. Thank you.